Primitive Rite. This rite was founded at Narbonne in France on April 19, 1780, by the pretended superiors of the Order of Free and Accepted Masons. It was attached to the Lodge of the Philadelphes, under the title of the First Lodge of St. John united to the Primitive Rite for the country of France. Hence it is sometimes called the Primitive Rite of Narbonne and sometimes the Rite of the Philadelphes. It was divided into 3 classes, which comprised 10 degrees of instruction. These were not in the usual sense degrees, but rather collections of grades, out of which it was sought to develop all the instructions of which they were capable. These classes and degrees were as follows. First class: 1. Apprentice. 2. Fellowcraft. 3. Master Mason. These were conformable to the same degrees in all the other rites. Second class, 4th degree, comprising Perfect Master, Elu, and Architect. 5th degree, comprising the Sublime Écossaise. 6th degree, comprising the Knight of the Sword, Knight of the East, and Prince of Jerusalem. 3rd class, 7. The first chapter of Rose Croix, comprising ritualistic instructions. 8. The second chapter of Rose Croix, it is the depository of historical documents of rare value. 9. The third chapter of Rose Croix, comprising physical and philosophical instructions. 10. The fourth and last chapter of Rose Croix, or Rose Croix, Brethren of the Grand Rosary engaged in researches into the occult sciences, the object being the rehabilitation of man in his primitive rank and prerogatives. The Primitive Rite was united to the Grand Orient in 1786, although some of its lodges objecting to the union maintained their independence. It secured at one time a high consideration among French Freemasons, not only on account of the objects in which it was engaged, but on account also of the talents and position of many of its members.